The boy has a toy bear and balloons.
Oh.
The boy sees the butterflies. He is happy.
Wow! Butterflies!
The boy finds a box.
What's in the box?
The boy opens the box.
Wow! There is a ball in the box.
The boy is playing with the ball and the boat.
I like to play.
The boy is saying goodbye to the butterflies.
Goodbye, butterflies.
Let's say the sound in boy, balloon, bear, butterfly, box, ball. Boy. Boy. Balloon. Balloon. Bear. Bear. Butterfly. Butterfly. Box. Box. Ball. Ball.